Yeah, my mum used to describe me as, she used to say I wouldn't say boo to a goose, but now, completely opposite. I'm Rebecca and I've worked at Klöeber for 6 years. I started at 16 as an apprentice. I was doing my apprenticeship here for about a year and a half. I started in HR and in the installations department, split my time there. And then I moved on to a little bit of our logistics, some purchasing, planning the installations, doing the fitting diary, a little bit of aftercare. So I've been in most departments. The one I've managed to stay away from is sales. So, yeah. So I'm someone that doesn't really like to stay still. I do like to continue developing. Once I feel like I've learned everything in that department, I do get a little bit bored and want to move on to the next thing, and I've managed to do that here, so that's been nice. There's always things to improve on and always like new changes in the company that you are learning, but I do like where I am at the moment. I am enjoying it. So at the moment I'm doing our fitting diary, booking all the installations in with our teams. When an installation is incomplete, I'm the first point of contact for that, getting things across the line basically, and I quite like the reactive side. If an installation isn't going too well, I will be working with the installation manager to get over the line as best as we can, and we will try our hardest. What I most enjoy about working here is I feel like everyone's so different, but we all get on really well. So you've obviously got like each department and then everyone as a whole, we are different, but everyone gets along so well. My favourite product is the Uber slides. They transform any space and they're so modern, but they also work in sort of older homes. I just think they look amazing. My proudest moment was when I had a promotion last year to senior operations planner. I always had like sort of admin in my title from starting as an apprentice, and going from admin to having senior in my title was a pretty proud moment, and all the work paid off from the last 6 years. I've become so much more confident in the last few years. When I started, I was so quiet. I didn't want to share my views and different ideas that I'd had because people might feel they're wrong. But now, if I have an idea and I can go and back it up with something, I will happily say I'm just so much more confident and a lot louder. Yeah, my mum used to describe me as, she used to say I wouldn't say boo to a goose, but now, completely opposite. So at Klöeber, customers are always our top priority. From sales, when they help you choose the right product for you and your house, through to receiving a fitting or delivery date, always the best date we can offer. And then when the fitting teams are on site with you, they'll try and overcome any issues and give you the best installation possible. And then support from our installation departments with our installation manager, and then any future issues with our aftercare department, always top priority. Please tell me that was okay.